Zoisha. Hi guys, so I'm here waiting for my guests to come in the car. I'm so excited, guys. So you guys would have seen me do my get ready with me for my concert fits. So that is it. I need to go and get a tea. Before I do anything, I need to go and get a tea. Regular. I'm gonna tell me some lipstick about my teeth. Don't always do them something that to me, you know, it look like idiot. Y'all see me better? Hi. I need to stop and get a tea. Rashaya. So why'd you go in the back?
I was in the back.
You have the tickets on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
They don't take them print out.
Hi guys. So we're ready to go! Yes, but I'm gonna ask them if they can put me to sleep.
Oh, you want the laughing gas?
Yeah. Alright guys, so
That's what that was.
Amazon. Why? You get like 50, 100 for like $12. Yes. Anyways, guys, so on the train, we made it to the train station. I drove to the train station and then we're taking the train to the event because, baby, downtown, ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah, Coxwell. Huh? Yes, it does. So, yeah. Say hi, guys. What song are you guys waiting, excited to hear? Tiana.
Tiana Major, Shine Peace.
So you're not going for Jazmine?
Yeah, but you know Tiana starting, so.
What song are you excited to hear from Jazmine?
I don't know yet.
What about you, Kujaya?
The other side.
The other side? Okay, I don't know that one. Okay, ask me.
Oh. Can you see?
Oh wait, we're taking it down. I forgot. Sorry.
It's okay.
Hey guys.
Okay. So what song? Yeah, what song are you excited to see
I'm
or
excited to hear. I hope she sings 10 seconds. I hope she sings Excuse Me. Yes, I hope she sings Excuse Me. I hope she sings 10 seconds and from like her late. Ooh, just I thought I heard it. Yo, I heard that yesterday because I was playing all of her songs yesterday and I was like, yo, I totally forgot how much I love this song. Like that album is everything. Also, what is it? Lions, Tigers, and Bears. Come on.
I don't think she's gonna sing that.
And then there's another one that I can't remember. What's the one, the Jamaica vibe one? All you need to get is the heart. You know that the food I eat. I don't know that one really. I never really listened to that album, to be honest. I heard it yesterday for the first time. There's some nice songs on there, but yeah.
You just listened to it?
Huh?
You just listened to it?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
And then
it's fresh.
her new album.
Wait, let's see if you can hear it.
Her new album, what is it called? Pick Up Your Feelings. And what do you call it? What's the song again?
Girl Like Me?
No. Hang on, I want to hold it to her more. Let me look. Hold on.
Wait, I don't remember. Let me see.
Put it down.
Okay.
Yeah. Put it down. Yeah, I always have to do those songs.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're going to a concert now. We're on the green.
Wait. Yeah, there we go. Focus. We're outside. Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah. You want to show the fit?
Outside, inside? Oh, I did already. I did it already with me.
Okay.
You can show them.
This is where you put the fancy music.
Wait, are we going to
You want to do yours?
There's only one. So yeah, guys, that's what we're excited to listen to. Jesus. That's what we're excited to listen to. And yeah, I'm really excited. Like, I'm excited. It's my first concert ever. I even have my passport. I have everything. I mean, but as I said, I've never been to a concert before, so I'm really freaking excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. No, didn't we have a discussion? So guys, we reached. Can't believe it. It's lit. We reach. How you guys feel? How you guys feel? It says sold out in big letters. Jazmine Sullivan sold out. You know what I mean? She's so laugh. Right, true. What is so laugh? I'm excited. I'm not gonna have no voice. I predict it already. Yeah, you know me. I sing everything.
Are you gonna sing?
What?
I don't.
So what was the point in coming?
I like her.
Don't you feel weird when everyone, like, that's how I feel. I'm gonna feel when Tiana's on. I'm gonna be like,
I'm not gonna sing. Yeah.
they're gonna see if the mask is moving or not.
In the dark?
Yes.
Oh,
So you tell me I did my makeup for nothing?
Exactly.
Oh Jesus.
okay.
Oh, let me see my pictures. Guys, but the lineup, baby, wrap wrong. Never know so much people live at Toronto. Me never know so much people live here. What? That know the girl? Me never know so much people know Jazmine will live at Toronto. For sell off, like she had to sell up. She had to move venues, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jesus, I'm nervous. But here we go, and everybody's in their big old jackets. So here we go.
Anytime your government issue photo and it's ready. After that, you'll be pushed.
Y'all, we got it! Oh, Jesus! It's so nice. Wow. Yeah. Oh, you want to stand here?
It's called Think About You. I need more hours in the day. I always seem to run out of time when I think about you. All the things doing other things, but you're always on my mind when I'm not around you. And this sounds so cute, sounds so sweet. I get very emotional, so this is why this one always touches me.
Aww.
We're sitting here together. I question now forever. 'Cause somehow I forget we have all this to remember. I never have to worry at all. Maybe you're what I need. Maybe I should try peace. 'Cause I I'm seeing better days your way. Maybe you're as shit here.
Yes, it is. And this ain't nothing.
So thank you for coming out. I really, really appreciate it, y'all.
We appreciate you. Thank you for coming.
Y'all stood in that cold for little old me. I appreciate it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, a girl like you, baby. Yes. Yes, goody. What do you mean? Turn out in any weather.
You don't mind if I talk to y'all for a second? Just for a second. Because I wrote this next song for any of us who've ever been through a breakup.
Oh, no, go, dog.
You've been through a breakup, A breakup that made us feel less than who we were.
Woo! Talk
Made
preach.
us question our self-worth.
Talk truth.
Question if we were good enough, or funny enough, or freaky enough.
Right? Well, not that, no.
We were skinny enough, whatever it was. And I've definitely been in that space before
Can you hold this way, please?
where I wondered what was wrong with me.
Oh, just hold it.
That he didn't love me. I know we've all felt like that. But now that I've gotten a little older and gotten a little wiser, I want to share something with you. If anybody has ever felt like that or is feeling like that. Fuck that man.
Period! Period!
Who does not love you for you. Who does not appreciate you for who you are.
Talk truth, sister.
The right person that's supposed to be in your life is going to love you just the way you are.
Yep.
There's no need to question. So if you have that, you got to let them go. Say bye.
Bye! Oh, you took it off Instagram?
So I wrote this next song, y'all, with one of my favorite new artists. Give it up for her, y'all. I wrote this song, and I called it Girl Like Me.
Come, go. Yes! Yes! I made a profile on Tinder. Said you left me to be with. Think that this heart getting desperate. Wish I could return to sender, but you don't love me no more. And I don't even know what for. No, it was real when you blocked me. I was sitting on judging my body, wondering what I did to lose you. Why in the hell you would choose to like you don't love me no more. And I don't even know what for. Just wanted something different, still don't know what I was missing. What you asked I would have given. Get it right how these hoes be winning, why they be winning. Yeah. No hope for a girl like me, I'm coming be winning. Yeah. And I ain't wanna be, but you gon' make a whole out of me. I think I know what song this is.
I wrote a long time ago.
Yeah, I know what song this is.
On my very first album.
Yes! Yes!
You got any feelings, man? Someone who understands the man you are. 'Cause baby, you shine so bright. I would just dim your star.
she not come back.
No.
But she not sing all like song them I want her to
Next
sing.
time.
Oh, the fuck up like this, man.
I didn't stop this.
You so sloppy how kiss the dog. You're off to leave. Run me my keys. I'm woo. Hold this for 1 second. Who is it? Brand new. Like the wind. Name bitch, I have it. Wake up. Woo. Woo. I got the roof and don't forget to come and pick up your feelings. Don't need no pieces. You need to hurry and pick up your feelings. While I'm not thinking, boy, please sing the job. Memories, all shit, you can keep it up. Don't forget to come and pick up your You guys, the girl walk off high stage, you know. She walk off of the stage and she never sing the song. I mean, I say, oh, the girl come all the way to Canada and don't sing Pick Up Your Feelings. Like, there was a challenge for the song. How can you not sing it? Could you come back out and sing the song for me? She didn't know somebody there. I tag her on Instagram. I'm gonna put it on there. I tag her on Instagram and tell her I was coming, so to make sure to sing the songs them. And yeah, but that was really a great concert. Did you guys have fun? Yes, you did. You did. You had fun. Did you have fun? What? Is that because I enjoyed myself? My voice is gone. I don't know how I'm gonna talk tomorrow, but anyways, heading home now. Heading home now. I will see you guys later. Okay, bye. So guys, just got home. It is now 12:01. Wow. So Jazmine Sullivan, amazing concert. I give it a 9 out of 10. And I say 9 only because she didn't sing all of the songs that I wanted her to sing. But apart from that, amazing. Maybe just because it's my first one, I don't really have anything to base it off of or anything like that. But it was really, really good. Like, she has amazing vocals. Like, her backup singers, as you guys would have seen, like everybody. It was just, honestly, it was an amazing time, and I love the fact that I was able to go with my nieces, whatever the case may be, because like literally when I first started listening to Jazmine Sullivan was when I got my car. My first car that I ever had, my first and only car that I've ever owned or anything like that, and that was back in 2010. So I've been listening to Jazmine Sullivan since then. That was when I was 20 years old. I'm now 32. Like, is that how it goes? Yeah, I got my car in 2010. So yeah, and that's what me and my nieces were even talking about, because like literally all those songs is like what we used to like listen to in the car, because that was like, I only had a few CDs in the car. Jennifer Hudson, Jazmine Sullivan, Fantasia. I think those are the 3 that I had like on repeat, and Nicki Minaj. But yeah, really, really loved the concert. Tiana, I never really knew that much about her prior, but now I am a fan for sure. Love her music. Like, I don't know. I just feel like now nobody can, like, Jazmine can't sing to me like on like my phone in music no more. Like, it don't sound the same to me now that I've heard her live. Yeah, that's one concert down. I have another concert coming up in a few weeks that I'm going to, so y'all stay tuned for that. But again, I am home now. I hope you guys enjoyed just as much as I enjoyed. Sorry if you guys couldn't hear properly because of me singing, but baby, if you guys know, you guys know. We sing over here, especially me. We sing over here. We know lyrics over here. We know all of that stuff over here. So there was no way in hell I was going to no concert and I was gonna be mute. Sorry, baby, but yeah, as I said, it's 12:01. I'm gonna wind down, get ready for bed, go to sleep. I got work in the morning, and yeah. But thank you guys so much for stopping by today. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit subscribe. If you are returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that is and whatever that is. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.